Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to add a profile picture to your business account in Truecaller app. Go to your phone menu, find the Truecaller app and click on it. Click on the left menu. Click on the pencil icon next to your business name. Click on Add Logo. Click on Pick from Gallery. Select your business logo from your gallery. Choose a brand color, contrast to your logo. That's it. Changes has been saved. This is how you can add a profile picture to your business account in Truecaller app. Thank you for watching.